Hello viewers, welcome back on our journey to learn manufacturing, and presently we are learning 25 tools of lean manufacturing. We have so far covered 5 tools, that is 8 Waste, 5S, Kaizen, Pokayoke and Endon. In case you have not watched them yet, subscribe to channel and enjoy learning. This video is about tool 6, that is OEE, Overall Equipment Effectiveness. This is a calculation tool which was developed by Shiichi Nakajima, pioneer founder of the Total Productive Maintenance System. So, what is OEE? It is measure of how well a manufacturing operation is utilized compared to its full potential during the scheduled run period. Its unit is percentage, and percent OEE means percent of manufacturing time that is truly productive. Next step is how to calculate OEE. It comprises of 3 elements: availability, performance and quality. Availability is proportion of scheduled time available to operate. Performance is percent of designed speed on which work center or equipment actually runs. Quality is percent good units produced out of total production. These 3 components when multiplied gives percent OEE. Based on what's shared so far, 100% OEE can be said to be achieved when there is 100% availability of schedule time, that is zero interruption, 100% performance, which means equipment is continuously running at designed maximum speed, and 100% quality means no defect is produced. But all those who belongs to manufacturing industry can understand this ideal state can't be achieved, and loss in any of 3 components gives actual OEE. Let's understand using it with an example. This here is time data for calculation of availability on any given day. Out of working 8 hours, which can be treated as potential production time, lunch and tea consumes 30 minutes each, and 33 minutes of downtime was also recorded on that day. We know that availability is ratio of actual time of production to potential production time. Actual time to operate is difference between potential production time and lost time. In this case, 93 minutes of time was lost in lunch, tea and downtime from 480 minutes of potential production time. This results in availability to be at 80.6%. Similarly, for percentage performance in available time of 387 minutes, we'll look for standard production rate 60 parts per minute and actual output, that is 19,300 parts. Performance is ratio of actual output to designed output. Here 19,300 is actual output and designed output would be 60 into 387 minutes. Percentage performance comes out to be 83.1. For our last parameter, that is quality, we assess bad part and good part proportion from output. Here, a total of 390 parts found bad or rejected out of produced 19,300 parts. Quality is simply ratio of good parts from total produced parts. When calculated for our example, it comes out to be 97.9%. Now finally, to calculate percent OEE, we should multiply all 3 components, which gives us a result as 65.6% OEE. Hope you got the concept right. In actual working atmosphere, these 3 components themselves have various subcomponents, which we will learn in our next video, that is 6 big losses. For OEE, there are various benefits it have for any organization. First and foremost, it focuses on priority tasks to work on for improvement. OEE is very simple concept to measure and can be applied to any complex process. OEE calculation provide database feedback of process performance which can be used to perform and track improvement. It also provides for benchmarking purposes to compare various units of same organization or even to compare various organizations working in same domain. Lastly, OEE helps setting achievable goals for people or employee of organization. All these benefits make OEE a very reliable and trusted lean tool across manufacturing industry. Like and share this video with your colleagues and subscribe to channel for continuous update. Next tool will be 6 big losses. Till then, keep learning, keep growing.